Today we are going to take a tour of our most popular Deer Valley home, the Amon. The Amon is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,980 square foot manufactured home. This home can also be built as a modular home. To learn more about the differences between manufactured and modular homes, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. Here in the living room, we are showing a wood slat feature wall in brown. You also have a white color option, and we also are showing this living room with the wood beams on the ceiling and a real wood burning fireplace. There are a lot of different fireplace options in this home. You can choose from wood burning, electric, or even gas. We are showing this home with the optional ceiling fan with light kit. There are several different lighting options available. As we move around to the front door, please note that there are several different exterior door options that are available on this home. As we move into the master bedroom, notice the painted feature wall. There are a variety of different paint options for you to choose from. Also note the large amount of space available in this master bedroom. It really is large. Do you want even more space in the master bedroom? We've got you covered. We can stretch this room to make it as large as you like. We have featured in the Amon a built-in back porch with access directly off the master bedroom. This doorway is optional and can be removed. As we move along into the master bathroom, notice the French door entryway. For an added touch of class, we've added the optional bench at the end of the shower, dual walk-in closets, and dual sinks. This bathroom is shown with the luxury vinyl tile flooring for added comfort and durability. There are a variety of different color options and flooring options for you to choose from. We are showing this bathroom with a very large linen closet with the wire shelving. There are a lot of different types of shelving options for you to choose from here as well. This luxury bathroom also features the very large hand-laid tile shower. This extra large tile shower features dual shower heads, as well as a decorative mosaic tile running through the middle for an added touch of class. The fiberglass shower pan has been added for easy cleaning and durability. This very large master bathroom is fully customizable and can be customized to meet each customer's needs. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and our phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, options, and a few other factors. The Amon is built with 2x6 exterior sidewalls and spruce lumber construction rather than pine. Spruce is a harder wood than pine, and it performs better. The home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. These combine to not only strengthen the structure of the home, but they also help with the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls, ceilings, and floors a little more square. This home is also equipped with croft windows. Croft windows are a much more energy efficient window, and they last longer than your standard windows. They also have a low E window coating, and they are gold rated for even more energy efficiency. Our Amon is also built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip our Amon with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and Energy Star. With the insulation package we build into this home, the TechShield roof decking, and croft windows, it is incredibly energy efficient. Let's open up some of these cabinets and see just how much space we have to work with in these big, beautiful cabinets. Lots of room for great storage in there, for sure. And all of our Deer Valley cabinets now come with soft close, easy to use functional cabinets. These soft close, maple, dovetail cabinets are mother tested and approved. As we walk back through the master bedroom out onto the back porch, let's go over some of the options that are available for this flexible space. The back porch you see here can be enclosed and used for a variety of different room options. This room could be used as an office space or an ensuite bedroom connected for a baby. You could also use this as a den or even put a formal dining room in this area. You could expand your living room or even your master bedroom with this space as well. This space really is incredibly flexible. This home can be equipped with an energy efficient heat pump or a gas furnace depending on your needs. We are showing this home with all electric appliances, furnace, and water heater, but you can choose from either electric or gas on any of these items. You can also move this fireplace here in the living room and, like I said earlier, make this either electric, gas, or wood burning. If you are enjoying this video, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. And please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to change about this home in the comments section down below. We absolutely love hearing your feedback. As we move into the kitchen, notice the large island and the large amount of cabinet space. We have a lot of different color options available on these cabinets for you to choose from as well. As far as the appliances go, we have a lot of different appliance options available and different color options available on your appliances. This includes, but is not limited to, an extra large refrigerator option, smooth top ranges, and even built-in appliances available as well. You will also find that this home comes with an upgraded trim package throughout the home. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional as well. You can select from different siding, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, trim packages, paints, appliances, and a whole lot more. This home is very customizable both inside and outside of the home. This home has a nominal 312 roof pitch as shown, but there are a number of different roof pitch options available. We are showing this AIM-ON with 8.5-foot ceilings. You have options for 8-foot ceilings, 8.5-foot ceilings, or even 9-foot ceilings. And check out this nice pantry with the barn door as shown. You have a lot of different options available here as well. You can option in a standard door, no door, or this optional barn door we have as shown. We are showing this AIM-ON with HVAC vents in the floor. There is also an option for vents to be put in the ceiling on this home. The utility room or mud room on this home is large and large enough for a freezer space. Also, the door is on the end of the home for easy addition for a garage. As you can also see here in the utility room, Deer Valley adds a lot of extra space for your electrical power. This will make it very easy to add a garage or a basement to this home. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, see our YouTube video on this very topic. As we walk around in the guest bedroom area, notice the large size. This is an area that you can also make even larger if you would like to increase the size of your guest bedrooms or their closets. As we swing around into the guest bathroom that both bedrooms share, you'll notice the extra large tub and shower combination. This is also an upgraded fiberglass tub shower combo that is very durable. It is harder to tell in the video, but this guest bathroom tub shower combo is very large. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options in this home to meet your budget. You can select from a variety of different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinets, countertops, walls, appliance packages, faucets, and sink options. There are a number of different flooring options such as luxury vinyl tile, wood laminate, tile, hardwood, and there are also a number of appliance packages available. You can customize and select from a wide range of different exteriors on this home. You can select a different roof pitch, or you can add a variety of dormers and exterior columns, or you can choose from several different siding options. There are also a number of different add-ons you can choose from beyond the home. A lot of these we have already discussed, such as adding a garage, a basement, decks, porches, and a whole lot more to your home project. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we also offer packages that can help you with the installation of your utilities. We offer dozer and site preparation options available as well. We can do as much or as little as you need. We like to make it turnkey here at Kentucky Dream Homes. Let's open up some more cabinets here in the kitchen and just explore and see just how much storage space we have to work with here. These cabinets are really deep. We also have the option to make these cabinets even taller, all the way up to 42 inches, for even more great storage space. The Lazy Susan is also a nice option. We have this kitchen shown with the standard stainless steel sink, but there are a lot of very nice sink options available in this kitchen as well. If you are currently renting your home, and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. Our manufactured and modular homes are not only very affordable, but they are also very high in quality, very energy efficient, and very low maintenance. If you have high utility bills, buying a new energy efficient manufactured home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills and high maintenance costs. There are also several tax saving benefits to owning your home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new manufactured or modular home. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible manufactured and modular homes. We hope you've enjoyed this Deer Valley Amon home tour. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more incredible home tours. Also, remember, let us know what you think about this home. What would you like to change about this home? What would you like to add? A garage? A basement? Let us know in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. To see more great home tours, click on the link on the screen now. Let us help you find your dream home at Kentucky Dream Homes. We guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for watching.